In this video, I am going to show you how to create highlights on Facebook. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go and open your Facebook. And of course, if you don't have a story yet, make sure to simply go and add a story. If you do have a story, you can simply just go to your story and go to the story that you want to make as a highlight. You'll find a button at the bottom right corner, highlights. Go and click on that. Here, you'll be able to create a highlight and give it a title. So for me, I'm just going to add I don't know what's the name. I'm just going to add this name for this highlight. You can also add more stories or more pictures if you have some pictures from your phone. Click on save and you should be good to go. It will be added to the highlights. How can you find it? Of course, you go to your profile at the top right and then click on your profile right here. Just go and click on this. As you can see, you'll find the highlight right here. Of course, if you do have some old stories, some archived stories, you can go click on your profile again, click on the three dots. Here you can go to archive and go to story archive. For me, I still just entered those stories, so I'll not find them in the archive. I'll find them in the archive after 24 hours. But for you, you should find your old stories here. You can click on the story and it should appear as the same as it's appear here. So you should appear like this. You can click on highlights and you'll be able to highlight it like this one, totally up to you. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.